Thank you, sir. Supplementary question to the Deputy Prime Minister. In terms of prioritization, is there any specific sector or market segment, given the need for us to broaden our economic base? And I know that there are many competing priorities. Would you elaborate more on that, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister?
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. It's no secret that right now there's a laser focus on commercial agriculture and aquaculture in terms of private sector engagement. And the Leader of Opposition will be aware that Fiji Water is actually on the ground now in Fiji acquiring land for commercial agriculture. The exciting thing about that initiative, Honorable Speaker, is that it will lead to commercialization of some of our crops. Because they have expertise in trees, looking at mango, papaya, for import replacement, and then for export. In terms of aquaculture, we are setting up hopefully a project very soon to focus on prawn, scaling up of prawn industry. Honorable Speaker, the prawn industry in Fiji imports is 21 million per annum and growing. So these are plans that are in place. And Honorable Speaker, I just like to address that remark because it reflects the inaction on that part of the House. In fact, Honorable Speaker, when you come to think of it, some of the initiatives that we've undertaken in 2 years, or less than 2 years, they never did it. They never did it. And so, with due respect to the other side of the House, it's their inaction that has led this side of the House to do what we're doing at the moment. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you.